Alright, you can close your eyes to get the full benefits. And sit Dr. Patricia on the chair, then sing the contract. Mentally. Alright. Alright. Give us a little hint. My sister. So what happened? Why are you happy while dancing? Because dancing is joy, right? It brings joy to your heart. Would you like to do something else? Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can do the Wumba Bolero to the same type of music. Behind me, everybody behind me. Everybody behind me. The same rhythm, you can slow it down. It used to be called the Haitian Bolero, which is merengue, loud. In Dominican Republic, the music is playing faster. In Haiti, they slow it down, so you have time to relax. Yes. Bolero. So we slow the music down. Bolero. So Bolero is basically we're going to do Wumba Bolero. So we step forward on one. You transfer your weight on two, you go side together on 3, 4. It's simple. You don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. So mentally, I am drawing a box on the dance floor. The box has 4 equal sides, so I'm stepping on each side of the box. And then that's make the movements very sensual. And you can add the hips, you know, to eliminate hip pain, back pain, like this, okay? So let's count with me one more time. Maestro, are you ready? Okay, will you go? But we need to know what is the 1, the 2. Can we try that with music? Yeah. So if you are getting your blood pressure going high, with the same rhythm you can slow it down. And I'm going to show you that in a minute, how to raise the blood pressure, how to slow it down so you can go to sleep without the pills medication. Maestro, music. Watch me. 5, 6, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slow. Quick, everyone. You see how slow you're moving? Slow. Quick, slow. Quick. Now you can change from Wumba to merengue. Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now I'm going to slow the music down, too slow. Quick, slow. So this type of new dance, we use it so you can communicate with your partner. Okay? So from here,
spend one night with you. I will cherish those memories my whole life. My love for you grows stronger every day. If you were mine, I would treat you like a queen.
so we can do, you see how we slow it down? in sync with the music, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1,